Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will first solve the problem, and then at the end of the video, quickly summarize what we learned from this problem. And so in this problem, we are given the function y equals x, y plus x squared plus 1, which is an implicit function. It's not a simple y equals f of x, because there is y on the right-hand side as well. And we need to find the derivative of this function at a particular value of x equals -1. So let's start differentiating. This is implicit function differentiation. So we differentiate both sides dy dx and with respect to x. So dy dx is equal to the derivative of the product xy is by product rule derivative of x, which is 1 times y plus x times the derivative of y with respect to x dy dx. Plus the derivative of x squared with respect to x, which is 2x. This is just a power function, the second degree. And then plus 0, because the derivative of 1 is 0. Now we need to solve for dy over dx. And we do that by kind of assuming that x and y are just constants. So we solve for dy dx, isolating it on one side. So let's subtract x times dy dx from both sides. We get dy over dx minus x dy over dx equals y plus 2x. And now factoring out dy dx from the left-hand side, we get dy over dx times 1 minus x equals y plus 2x. Dividing both sides by 1 minus x gives us dy over dx is equal to y plus 2x over 1 minus x. And at this point, we would like to plug in x. However, note one thing. We don't know what y is. There is y also enters into this equation. And so we need to find y, which corresponds to x equals -1. So we plug in x equals -1 into the implicit function here and solve for y. So let's do that. The function is y equals x, y plus x squared plus 1. Plugging in x equals -1 gives us y equals -y plus -1 squared plus 1. Subtracting, adding y to both sides gives us 2y equals 2 and y equals 1. So we see here that the corresponding y to x equals -1 is this y equals 1. So let's now plug in both of those values into the expression for dy over dx. And we evaluate it at the point x equals -1 and y equals 1. So this is equal to, plugging in 1 instead of y, 1 plus 2 times -1, which is x, 1 minus -1. So this is equal to 1 minus 2, and then divided by 2. So this is equal to -1 half. And so the answer is -1 half. And let's go back and see. The answer is B, -1 half. And so let's quickly review. What did we learn here? First, the function what was given to us is an implicit function. And so we do implicit differentiation here. And at the second step, we solve for dy dx. And then we plug in the values. However, note that we don't know what y is. It was not given to us. But we can solve for y from the implicit function plugging in x equals -1, we find that y equals 1. And then finally, we plug those values in and find the answer. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to click the like button and write me your comments below, and subscribe to my channel, where you can find more solutions to the AP Calculus AB and AP Calculus BC problems. I will see you in the next video.